Hello guys, welcome to OctaCoder. From now on, you are going to learn JavaScript. This is a basic to advanced level course. If you don't know anything about coding, programming, any kind of JavaScript program, if you don't know anything, don't worry. OctaCoder is here for you. OctaCoder will teach everything from basic knowledge. So let's get started. Before we begin, we need to install the IDE editor. So for this JavaScript course, I am going to use Visual Studio Code. As you can see, you can search on Google and click on the visualstudio.com, this first link, and then download Windows version because I am using the Windows version. So I'm going to download this file. Just click on that file and it will download the setup file. This is the first thing you are going to do. And then there is a second thing. You need to install Node.js. Search on the Google Node.js and then you'll get the nodejs.org official website of Node.js. Click on the first link and you will get windows like this. There are two options, LTS and the current. So download this LTS version. After both downloading, install the Visual Studio Code and then install the Node.js. After installation Visual Studio Code, you will see like this kind of windows in the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, just click on this setting icon and then click on the extensions. Here, first of all, you just search code runner and then click on this code runner and then install. You will get here the install button. So click on that install button. I have already installed in my system. That's why I'm not getting the install button here. So you guys will get the install button. So click on that install button and then there is another extension. You need to install it. Open in browser. Open in browser and see. You will get the first one and there are a lot of others, but just install this one. I have already installed it in my system, so just install in your system also. And then third extension you are going to install is live server. As you can see, I haven't installed, so I got the install button like this. You guys click on the install button and it will install. It will take little time and then close your Visual Studio Code and restart the Visual Studio Code again. After restarting your Visual Studio Code, you will see this kind of window. So you just create any folder inside your computer, laptop, any drive, anywhere, and then select open folder and then just like I have created JavaScript folder, I just created here. You can click on this new folder and give a JavaScript name or any other name you can give it. So click on this folder. I have given JavaScript name. If you double click it, it's okay. Then select folder. After selecting the correct folder, so let's get started with the JavaScript introduction. And now I am going to show you what we are going to learn in this whole JavaScript course. So this is the course roadmap. We are going to learn everything in this JavaScript as the starting from today, introduction to JavaScript, then string, then there are some hands-on the programming questions I will give you so you guys to solve it. So then arrays, object functions, arrow functions, it will cover inside of this function, and then closure, oops concept, hoisting is the important concept every time it asks in the interview, and then we are going to learn ECMAScript, the ES6 version 2016 they have launched it. So these things are we are going to learn in the JavaScript. So let's get started with the introduction. The OctaCoder main focus is on practical, not on the theoretical. If you want to learn the theoretical part, so then I will recommend you some website. The official website of JavaScript is MDN. You can search it on Google MDN, and then you will see this developer.mozilla.org, and you just click on the JavaScript. So this is the you will see the theoretical also everything. And if you don't have anything in this course, I am going to show you how to use the ChatGPT OpenAI. This is the ChatGPT OpenAI. This is the ChatGPT OpenAI. In this course, I am going to show you how to use the ChatGPT in a correct way. So if you are new learner, so I will recommend you another website which is W3 School. This is the website. You just see here JavaScript, and then here you will get everything in detail. This is the simple way they have given the theory, and the programs are really good in this website. So let's go. We are going to start our first JavaScript hello world program. So here you will get the plus icon. Just click on the new file, first program. Here in the JavaScript, the extension is a .js. When you give the .js, the Visual Studio Code give you the automatic symbol .javascript. If you use HTML, it will show you like this. If you give PHP, then it will show you the PHP symbol. So that's why you will understand the extension is right or not. So give the JS, then click enter. I'm gonna show you 2-3 ways how to write the JavaScript program. Then we don't need, if you click on this, it will minimize and it will maximize also. So for the variable declaration, where is the syntax declaration they have given, then you just give the any name. So say name, and then give this inverted commas or single inverted comma. It's okay for the string. JavaScript is all take cares about it. If you have given single or double, it doesn't matter. You just give it here whatever you want to print. Welcome to OctaCoder. And as usual, end with the semicolon. If you did not give here the semicolon, it's okay. JavaScript will take care about it. And then how to print this welcome to OctaCoder. So for that you have to printing in the JavaScript they have console method, and then log, console log, and then variable name. Don't worry about this name is striken out. It's because of the Node.js we have installed, that's why that is getting striken out, but don't worry about that. And then if you click on this code runner, program is run correctly, but the welcome to OctaCoder is not printed here. It should have printed here as we expected. Why it did not print it, I will tell you now. We have write the program in the JavaScript file, but we haven't saved the file. How did I know that? Because here in the Visual Studio Code, if you see here, there is a white dot. It shows you the file is not saved. And now if you press the Ctrl and S key, it will Ctrl S. As usual, we save the file as a shortcut in the Ctrl S, and then save the file, then it will go, the dot will go. And then now just click on this clear everything and then run this file again. You will see here welcome to OctaCoder. So that's how we print the JavaScript program. if you don't have any editor, so directly go on the any browser. Here you can go on any browser and click on inspect element. For the JavaScript program, you don't need the editor most of the time. So you just go inside here. After element tab, there is a console tab. You can see here, and if you copy the whole code, just copy this whole code and paste it here and enter the button, and you will see this is our output. Don't worry about this undefined. I will talk about that later. So this is how we print. If you want to print another var, then say a equal to hello world, then console dot log a variable, and then enter. You will get the hello world. So that's how, if you don't have any editor, so you can use your any browser to write the JavaScript program, because the JavaScript programs runs on all the browser, so don't worry about it. Here another, we are going to use another method. Now I am going to show you. This is we have given as a .js extension. If you want to use the JavaScript file inside the HTML, then I will show you how to use the JavaScript inside the HTML. So let's create HTML file here. JS first program .html. So here, as usual, you know the HTML structure. Just give the title JavaScript, and then here you can use the JavaScript program inside the script tag here, and then you can just copy the whole this JS file code and paste it here, and save this file again, and this file open in the browser. You will see here is the option. That this option will not come if you haven't installed this extension. We already installed before we starting the VS Code. The first we install this open in browser, so that's why this option is coming. And now click on this default browser. Whatever your default browser is, it will open on that browser. So here is the file open, but there is no output. So we have, because we have given console.log, so that's why we have to click inspect element and then go to the console, and then here you will get welcome to OctaCoder. So this error you need to ignore it, because this error is coming from these two links, because we don't have that. This one we also don't have it. So save this file and reload. So the error is gone now. So that's how we write the JavaScript program. So if you want to give alert here, hello world, and save this file and open in the browser, refresh the file, you will get the alert message hello world. So if you want to learn about more theoretically, so we are going to use ChatGPT and the MDN most of the time. This is the official JavaScript documentation here, but mostly I am going to use the ChatGPT. And now, if you want to know what is JavaScript, consider ChatGPT as your friend, your helper. Whatever you want to ask, we always feel the shy to ask our teacher, our friend. So don't worry about that. For that, we have the ChatGPT. You can ask anything. So let's ask it, what is JavaScript? And then ChatGPT give you answer. So see, JavaScript is a programming language that is primarily used to create interactive front-end web development. It can be used to make web pages more dynamic and interactive interactive by allowing developers to create things like images, slider from form validation. This is the important topic in the JavaScript. So we already learned the Node.js using technologies such as Node.js, and this is the full stack JavaScript course you are going to learn in the OctaCoder. So we are going to use this ChatGPT as well as side by side. So that's it for the today. In the next lecture, we are going to learn data types of the JavaScript, and also we will learn let, var and const keywords in the next lecture. So please subscribe this OctaCoder YouTube channel for more details in the future. So stay tuned with the OctaCoder.